All right.
We're back! Oh wait, never mind. Yeah, just ignore me. Oh geez, what's this?
This is a really dumb level that I made.
Oh my god, oh, okay, good. I thought this was the really dumb one where you couldn't even, like, get out. That was gay. It was like, gay.
Yeah.
Right, he's like,
Yeah. Okay, what?
That was my monkey barrel, whatever.
Thing.
Get out!
No, drag him back in.
I'm just trying to get this assist trophy.
Come back in. Now. Burger! David!
David, when he wants his bacon.
For those of you who do not know David, screw you. Okay.
Let's edit that out.
I'm sorry. I am angry at,
I'm getting owned at everything. Coming my way. Okay, why did I just go through the bottom? No!
I got the kill!
No!
I got the kill, that's
How
right.
did you get the kill,
I got the
dude?
kill!
That was gay.
You heard me.
That was gay as
I didn't hear
hell.
you. Say it a little louder.
I got the kill!
Shut up!
Hey, guess what? Bam!
No, I did
Bob,
not do
No!
that. You guys suck.
Kill! Oh my god. Seriously, I'm not gonna kill!
I got a kill?
Yeah, you got a kill.
Oh, I got another
No,
kill
that
right
is
there.
so mine. That is so. Oh, you.
How
suck.
is that yours? You didn't even hit him. I
You
smacked him
suck.
down.
Just shut up.
I am sucking on this level. Alright!
Hey. Yeah. You.
Oh! Crap. Freaking hate you. Alright.
Bloody hell.
Don't say that! It's a bad
What? No.
word. It's bad.
Oh, you just got
Take
smacked
that
up in the
word.
face with a fan.
Who?
You did.
You just got smacked upside the face.
Stop
with a
using
freaking
that
gun.
move.
That was a fan you just hit. I just got smacked up in the face with. Why do I have a banana?
I can wait.
Why am I holding a banana?
Ah! Come on, kill him.
Stop.
See?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I'm losing that.
Kill him. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
right. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, boy. Not really.
Stop.
Oh, hit him down.
Oh, saved.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
come on.
That's right.
That was bull to the bull of the bull and
Just shut up.
bull. Yes.
Bloody hell. Tim still. Oh no. You're winning.
Oh yeah. Own it. Oh crap. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. No. Bad angel thing.
Bad. So it's a sudden death now. Oh, dude, this better not go past the time.
Okay, it won't, because I'm gonna own him!
No.
Oh, snap!
Oh,
Give me a monkey foot in the face.
You just got thrown up in the air!
So yeah, as you guys can see, I totally pwned.
No!